finally on the final stretch of building our McLaren 765 Stage 3 project. As we have already talked about it, it's a really big project because everything in this car is being changed. On the outside it's full carbon fiber body, so basically every single component of the car will now be carbon fiber. You know that from factory the monocoque is already carbon. Now all the body panels are carbon fiber in beautiful purple color. Inside the cabin is being fully retrimmed. I think most of it is already installed, so the car will also look very unique and beautiful inside. Next we have installed turbochargers from TTE, the turbo engineers. They are our close friends and we've been working with their turbochargers for many years now, and we continue to work with them because we never had any kind of failures, and the turbochargers always performed beautifully on all the AMG projects that we've built. They perform beautifully on Porsche, Lamborghini, like Urus and other models, and we are sure that on this 765 their turbochargers will give us excellent results. Next, to support the higher power, we replaced all the fuel injectors. So this engine uses 2 injectors per cylinder. So in total that's 16 injectors. You might have seen 16 spark plugs on the old M113 engine on Mercedes. Those are the old injectors and the old injector harnesses. So this car is quite unique in that you can remove the harness completely. You have just a few plugs and install a new harness for the new injectors, so we don't have to cut the old ones and crimp the new injectors. So it's fully plug and play, very nice quality, and basically we keep the OEM quality and OEM reliability. The new injectors are from Injector Dynamics. Basically, the guys who build fast cars, they know what we're talking about. Those are basically the best injectors you can get, and they've been like this for the last, I think, 20 years. This is when I started using them back in, I think, 2006 or 2004, when we built Supras, GTRs, and stuff like this. Also, we have full catalyst downpipes from Red Star in heat shielding. We use Red Star because they're basically the best there is. The quality of the heat shield is amazing, and the flow of the downpipes. And we don't like to use lesser quality Chinese stuff like some of the other companies do, because they just don't have proper heat insulation. And we want everything to be as safe as possible. Even if it's more expensive and you don't see immediate benefit compared to a cheap downpipe, but long term you'll have much better reliability, and you'll have less heat stress on the car and on the components in the engine bay. We also have inlet pipes installed. So from the factory, the inlets are plastic. The airflow is not optimal for the increased power that we'll have now, and also it has some weak points that over time it can actually get damaged, and some of the parts of the intake can go inside the turbochargers. We don't want that. This is why we use full billet inlet pipes that have amazing airflow, and nothing can get damaged and nothing can damage the turbocharger. The most interesting thing, well, at least for me, is the mechanical part. So what we're doing with this car is we removed the engine to make things a bit easier for us to install the parts, because what we had to install is the lock-in differential. As you know from factory, McLaren comes with open differential and basically actively uses rear brake pads for traction control. Now we have installed a lock-in differential from Wavetrac. The car will have much better traction since both wheels will be able to spin at the same time and deliver all the power to the ground. Also, we have the ECU here. It will get installed on the car once everything is checked. The ECU will have multi-map tuning installed. That is used for different power levels and different fuel quality. So what we plan to do is have a basic street map on 98 octane for daily use and keep power close to stock, somewhere in the 800 HP range. And all the other maps will be with increasing power and additional capabilities. Full power 98 octane we expect to be about 950 HP, and racing fuel like E85 mix or MS109 we can go more than 1000 horsepower. And of course, since everybody likes pops and bangs and fire from the exhaust, that's what we'll definitely install on this car, because as I said, this car will look beautiful outside. Inside, the mechanical specs will be amazing, so of course it needs to attract even more attention by shooting flames and making all sorts of silly sounds. Let's keep our fingers crossed that in about one day we'll successfully start the car. If nothing crazy happens, if there are no major leaks or anything, hopefully in about 2 days we'll put the car on the dyno, make full data logs, adjustments, check the power that is possible, and then we'll try it out on the street.
Hello everyone, we are at DEIZ Garage, and I want to show you something special. We have here full body kit for McLaren 765 LT. It's the full carbon kit from famous brand TopCar. I will want to show you the quality of this body kit, and come closer please. Here you can see the color. It's one of one body kit in the world, and TopCar make this body kit especially for one of our best clients. Now we're trying to assemble this kit to showing you how it will look on the car. So, okay guys, yesterday I showed you the full body kit for McLaren 765 LT, how many parts it was. Now we assembly all of these parts to show you how it look on the car. And now you can see the full assembly body kits from TopCar company. I'm telling you, it's full carbon body kits, like unicum design, one of one in the world. And this color, it's one of one, because in Dubai I know have one more car, one more McLaren 765, but the green color. But for our customers, we make request to make it purple, because we know the famous color of our customer, it's purple. So, and here you can see how it will look on the car. And just for checking, we park here another McLaren 765. It's two different clients, two different models, but on this car you can see what parts will be exactly changed on the car. And on this body kit you can see what we change, everything. Just everything will be changed. Only roof we will not touch, because on the roof nobody will change. But here, changing everything. Every single parts will be changed on the car. And I don't know, guys, showing you the quality of this carbon, because one important thing to check the quality, it's the line of two fiber, how they look. So, and here you can see, so all of this line going straight and making, the straight line. And if the guys provide the quality, some company provide the quality of their carbon fiber parts. So at this point you can see exactly the quality of this company.
Just to show you how good they look. I mean, they're just amazing. Hopefully today we will be able to show the final results and get some good numbers on pump fuel and E85.